Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoTrend TV. I'm your Viprajesh again. In this video today, I would like to talk about the newly launched Renault Kaiga compact SUV. Renault India has finally revealed the variants and price details of its new compact SUV, the Kaiga, on the 15th of February. To begin with, the Renault Kaiga is available in 4 different variants, namely the RXE, RXL, RXT and the RXZ. Prices for the new Renault Kaiga starts from Rs 5.45 lakh ex-showroom for the entry-level RXE 1-litre non-turbocharged manual variant and goes up to Rs 9.55 lakh for the top-spec RXZ CVT turbocharged automatic variant. This pricing makes the Renault Kaiga a direct rival to the Nissan Magnite, which also shares the platform, the engine options and transmission options. Here's a quick overview of the brand new Renault Kaiga compact SUV. Just like the Nissan Magnite, the Renault Kaiga is also based on the Renault-Nissan Alliance's CMF-A platform, which underpins the Renault Triber as well. The Nissan Magnite and the Renault Kaiga will also share engine and transmission options, while also offering a lot of common features. In terms of design, the Renault Kaiga is entirely different when you compare with the Nissan Magnite and features a typical Renault design language first seen on the Renault Kwid. Just like the Renault Kwid, the Renault Kaiga also features multifunctional LED DRLs on top, flanking the wide chrome grille, while the actual headlamps are located lower down on the front bumper. The Renault Kaiga introduces Pure Vision triple beam LED headlamps, which also includes fog lamps. The top spec variants will also receive long and functional roof rails along with dual tone roof, while also offering silver finished front and rear skid plates. Similar to the Nissan Magnite, the Renault Kaiga is also expected to offer 16-inch wheels as standard, while the top spec variants will offer 16-inch dual tone machine cut alloy wheels. At the rear, the Renault Kaiga will feature signature C-shaped LED tail lamps, similar to other Renault cars abroad. Similar to the Nissan Magnite, the Renault Kaiga also boasts of a high ground clearance of 205 mm and also claims to offer best-in-segment boot space at 405 litres. On the inside too, the Renault Kaiga features a completely different dashboard, while also offering few more features over the Nissan Magnite. The dashboard features a freestanding 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and similar to the Nissan Magnite, it also offers wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility. This touchscreen system will also be paired to 6 speakers from Arcamis. The Renault Kaiga also features automatic climate control, with the console itself being borrowed from the Nissan Magnite. However, the Renault Kaiga features its own 7-inch TFT instrument cluster display, which is also expected to provide various details similar to the Nissan Magnite, including tire pressure monitoring system. However, unlike the Nissan Magnite, the Renault Kaiga will also offer additional features such as interior ambient mode lighting and multiple sense drive modes, including economy, normal and sports modes, along with wireless charging. Similar to the Nissan Magnite, the Renault Kaiga will also be available with 2 different engine options. The first one being the 1-litre 3-cylinder non-turbocharged petrol engine, which produces 72 PS of maximum power, and apart from the standard 5-speed manual transmission, this 1-litre non-turbocharged petrol engine will also be mated to a 5-speed AMT gearbox carried forward from the Renault Triber. This non-turbocharged 1-litre petrol engine will be available with a manual transmission on all variants, starting with the RXE going all the way up to the RXZ. However, a 5-speed AMT gearbox option will be available only from the RXL variant onwards, and these AMT gearbox equipped variants are just Rs 50,000 more expensive than the manual transmission versions. The second engine option will be the very same 1-litre 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine from the Nissan Magnite, which produces 100 PS of maximum power through either a 5-speed manual transmission or a CVT automatic gearbox. This new 1-litre turbocharged petrol engine will be available from the RXL variant onwards. However, a CVT automatic gearbox will be available only on the top spec RXT and RXZ variants. The CVT gearbox equipped RXT and RXZ variants are exactly Rs 1 lakh more than their manual counterparts. In terms of rear seat comfort, the Renault Kaiga will also offer rear AC vents along with the rear center armrest on the top spec variants, quite similar to the Nissan Magnite. Standard safety features to be expected on the Renault Kaiga include dual airbags, ABS with EBD, pre-tensioner equipped seatbelts, engine immobilizer, and front and rear headrests. The turbocharged variants will also come as standard with ESP traction control with hill hold, similar to the Nissan Magnite. That said, only the top spec RXZ variant will receive additional airbags integrated into the sides of the front seats, quite similar to the Renault Triber. Renault is yet to reveal the features list on all the variants of the Renault Kaiga. However, based on the Nissan Magnite, we also expect the Renault Kaiga to be similarly well specced. Stay tuned for our detailed reviews on the brand new Renault Kaiga compact SUV. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this brand new compact SUV from Renault India. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.